Yes, I'll take that one. I'll take that one. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy, and I am here with twin number 2, Neesha 202. Yes, honey. If you want to know about the deets on this wig, let's check her out. Let's check her out. I'll talk to y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Let's go.
This is something new. The Casper Slide Part 2, featuring the Platinum Band, and this time we're gonna get funky, get funky, get funky. Everybody clap your hands. Get funky, get funky, get funky. Everybody clap your hands. Get funky, 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 funky. Everybody clap your hands. Funky, 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 funky. Everybody clap your hands. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's go to work. One how get funky with funky. One how get funky with funky. One how get funky with funky. One funky, funky. One how get time. Funky. One how get time. Funky. One how get time. Funky. Cha-cha real smooth. Now it's time to get funky. Take it back, that dog. Take it back, that dog. Take it back, that dog. Come on, take it back, that dog. Get funky with left foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Right foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Left foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Right foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Left foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Right foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Left foot. Let's take it back, that dog.
Hey babes, I'm back. Woo! Ooh, honey. I thought 201 was nice, but this one right here, Outre. Thank you, Outre. Hey. All right, so this is your 202 wig, baby. I have Neesha in the color Butterscotch, y'all. This is a DRFF2 Butterscotch. So again, that DRFF2 is your dark root right here, followed by that nice pretty butterscotch color, and this butterscotch is your nice soft blonde color. All right, so this has these blonde streaks in here, followed by a little bit of brown and some golden highlights. And ooh, yes, the dimensions in this wig are nice. Look at this back part right here. You got this brown with the blonde and nice highlights. So let's talk about Miss Neesha 202, baby. So if you saw my last review, I'll put a link right here. That was your first wig in the whole Neesha revamp series. This is your Outre Neesha Soft and Natural line. So yes, these wigs right here, these three wigs are more of your natural hair. It's more of like your 3 type 4 hairs, and you're blowing it out and you're trying to get this look. All right, so this is your soft and natural line, and yes, soft. It is soft. I thought I wanted to go in with a different color this time because I wanted to see, you know, if these colors are changing it up. But girl, when I tell you soft, look at that. Look, well, you can't feel it, but she definitely feels amazing, y'all. She feels so good. It's not like the last couple of I think I mentioned this in my last kind of natural reviews with other lines. Those were feeling more like connect along hair. This feels really soft. This kind of reminds me of that like pre-stretched braiding hair, but the softest one there is. I don't know how to explain it without making it sound like it's hard, but it's really soft. It feels really good. This Neesha 202. 202 is the wig that you wear when you want to go to that Louis Vuitton store and say, I need that one, please. Yes, I'm here to pick up my purse. Yes, I need that one. Yes. Yes, you go up in Nordstrom. Yes, I'll take that one. I'll take that one. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is your big bougie wig. Alright, so you don't have to get this color, but this color is definitely giving me all kind of don't mess with me vibes. Like, she is I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say, y'all. I don't have nothing. I'm speechless. I just gotta say that she's amazing. That's all I can say. She is amazing. She's your bougie friend wig. This is your you want to go drink wine with me for lunch before we pick up the kids wig. Yes, that's what this wig is. I am totally feeling it. I'm loving these curls on the side. I'll give you a turnaround look. I'm sorry, I'm so excited I didn't even do it. So this is what she's looking like in the front. She has this nice little bump to her right here, and then she has these curls right here. It's this nice spiral curl, and then in the back she looks like this. Alright, so this wig is very thick, you guys. A little con is I'm getting a little hot in this wig. I don't know if it's the turtleneck vibes that I got going on, but she is a little thick, so she is a little heating up. But as far as the cap, no, she's breathable up there. But right here, this hair is really, really heating up. So maybe this your winter bougie wig. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. Anyway, some people are going in and shedding her out a little bit with a razor comb or some razor scissors or razor, whatever you like. But honestly, I'm really liking the whole look of this wig. It's big, it's thick, it's beautiful. It works. It works for me, but it may not work for you. So yes, go in and thin her out if you need to. But other than that, I'm just really feeling the whole look of this wig. Like I can't say anything negative about her. The lace, I did have to go in with a little bit of powder. She was a little bit brown. I thought we could match her up, but I did have to go in with a little bit of powder, but pretty much that's it. I didn't have to lay down any baby hairs. This hairline looks really good. Like, look at that. She looks good. For some people, a con might be maybe just a little bit of this filler hair right here, but I kind of don't mind filler hairs in my wigs because I feel like it kind of gives it an oomph depending on the look. And with this particular look, with this big bang right here, this filler hair works. So for me, she's a winner, y'all. Twin B is a winner for me. She's a winner. Neesha 202. Yes, honey, that's her social security number. So what we gonna name her?
2 hours later.
I think I want to name this wig Sharon. Sharon. Yes, Sharon is it. Sharon is that wig that goes in your Louis Vuitton store and picks out her bougie bag. This is Sharon. Alright, y'all. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this wig and this unit. Yes, 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 honey. Yes, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Get up and go holiday look, go out look. I mean, if you just want to go to Target and have a look like this because you just want to look like a bougie person. I was going to use some words, but I don't know. The babies might be watching. But yes, this is your bad and bougie wig. Alright, y'all. Let me know how y'all feel. Talk to me in them comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I will talk to you beauties later. Until next time. Bye.